So we have learned the difference between the two segments of capital market, that is primary market and secondary market. Now we will be broadly focusing upon the difference between the money market and capital market. So let's differentiate on the following basis. First basis of distinction between the money market and the capital market is the participants who are involved. So in a money market, the participants are the financial institution, banks, public, private companies, but the foreign and ordinary retail investors do not participate in money market segment. Here Reserve Bank of India, central government, etc. can participate. On the other hand, in the capital market, the participants are the financial institutions, banks, public and the private companies. Foreign investors and ordinary retail investors from public can also participate. Second difference is on the basis of duration that we have already learned. Money market, the securities, the financial assets which are issued, they deal with a period of maximum tenure of 1 year. On the other hand, the capital market deals in medium and long-term securities. The instruments or the financial assets which are dealt in money market are treasury bill, commercial paper, commercial bills, certificate of deposit and call money. On the other hand, in the capital market, the common instruments are equity shares, debentures, preference shares, bonds and other innovative securities. Next difference is on the basis of investment outlay, that is the price of the securities initially. In a money market, the securities are quite expensive, so huge financial investment is required. On the other hand, the investment in capital market does not require huge financial investment as the value of securities is generally low. It may range between rupees 10 to rupees 100 or more than that. Now next difference is on the basis of liquidity. Money market securities enjoy higher degree of liquidity. On the other hand, the capital market securities are considered liquid because of stock exchange, but compared to money market instruments, these are less liquid. On the basis of safety, the instruments dealt in money market are safe and less risky due to short duration and soundness of issuers who may be big credit-worthy companies, they may be central government, on behalf the Reserve Bank may issue on the behalf of central government, these are commercial banks, etc. So these securities are more safe. The instruments of capital market are riskier in respect to returns as well as respect to principal repayment, as issuing company may fail, they may suffer loss. Next difference is on the basis of expected return. The expected return of money market is less due to short duration as well as the return is fixed. On the other hand, the capital market, the expected return is higher in capital market as along with regular dividend or interest, there are chances of capital gain also because the prices are fixed on the basis of forces of demand and supply in the stock exchanges. Last but not the least, the difference on the basis of type of capital. Companies approach money market for working capital requirement and the companies approach capital market for their fixed capital requirement. I hope now that the difference between the money market and capital market is clear to you. Always remember students, once you are clear with the classification of financial market, it would be very easy for you to understand the concept. So financial market is divided into two categories, money market and capital market. Further, capital market